So I don't know if you noticed from our last video cruise, and I ran out of gas. And we put this pulse pump on here, and this thing is sucking gas out of it, and I may not even need it, because as soon as I put gas in, it started running weird. So what I'm going to try and get done today is fix the carburetor. We're going to change the intake. The air filter came off because my leg keep hitting it, so we're going to try and spin it and have it coming back this way. Remove the pulse pump, and then we got these nice seats online. Not too bad, and we're going to try and affix this to there. So that's my plan for today. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Pull the screw off there. So she's ready to go. Easy peasy.
Just so on our takeoffs.
Yeah, 2 screws to take the seat off back there. It just slides right off, I'm sure. Anybody who's watching this probably knows. If you don't know, now you know. Alrighty, so yeah, and then I got this carburetor messed up, boy. I got Sambo over here taking these measurements.
14.5 on centers. Well, the back ones would line up.
Just flatten that out and cut it.
Yeah. Let's try that.
I'll cut it to make it look like it was my idea. What we're gonna do is flatten it out. Let's see if I can get it eye came up with. Sorry about the light.
Let's put the seat on and then mark the hole so it lines up right. This will give us a good idea. Yeah.
I might just change it.
Well, we just have to put the back on first because the front isn't quite lined up. There, that's all you get.
You guys see that catch? Bam! Just like that.
Damn, that looks good. Kidding me? That looks like it's comfortable too.
Yeah. Gasoline everywhere. Pulse pump removal complete. Alrighty, next up we got these guys. 1021. gasoline see that switch for it? I told you guys we're low budget now. See? That's how we do's it. You know what I'm saying? Alrighty guys, so this is what we've come up with. Bada bing, bada boom. So we had to change it around a little bit. But we're gonna go ahead and bada bing boom. Bam. Throw that on there. And it'll be good. Sam's gonna make some more noise over there. He's working on his secret project. Don't tell anybody. Alrighty, so this is the right one, looking good. Just a little paper here. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, boom, bam. Now, I'm gonna hook up my gasoline. We ain't spilling gas, we ain't white. What are you doing? If you ain't spilling gas all over the place, you ain't even trying.
Alright, that looks like a fuel line to me.
Check it out. So, we got the new intake. We got rid of the damn pulse pump. I'm gonna drop this, yeah? We're good? And, yeah. Only thing we got left now is to take it for a test ride with our new seat and new setup.
Shit,
Looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie this up and all that.
So yeah, it looks like it'll go there real nice.
Yeah,
Right in there somewhere.
Yeah. Alrighty. See, we put these little mirrors on. There, we like them. Hit me up in the comments. We'll let you know where we got those too.
It's hard to see.
Let's see if she'll start, eh?
Yeah, yeah. I didn't hear it sputtering or anything, really.
All right, well, let's get geared up and we'll go for a little cruise.
All right.